So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. Smash the like button for the algorithm, people. Make sure you do subscribe to the second channel, Lee Reacts. It's saved down there as more Lee Gunner. Big up to nearly 300 people that have done that since I've been promoting it on Wednesday. So, less than 3 days since I first put it out there. Nearly 300 of you have checked that out. In the meantime, before I do start reacting to videos on that channel, there's plenty of vlogs from about 15 months ago. Last summer, not summer gone, the one before, to keep you entertained until I start uploading. If anybody wants to talk about editing for that channel, hit up the email in the description, leegunnermk82@gmail.com, and fully hit me up on that, because we could potentially do something there. But do share the content as well, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Chuck your donations in, throw money at me. I'm skint. Which is why I can't put my heating on in Spain, hence why I've got the hoodie on. But yes, hit the thanks option if you want to donate. I will reply to everyone who does that. But Sergej Milinkovic Savic, another hipster's choice, is linked to Arsenal Football Club. Matija Kezman, remember him? Fouled Chelsea striker. Smashed it everywhere else apart from Chelsea. Like Shevchenko. Like Fernando Torres. I could list and load more, but I won't, because I'll upset all you Chelsea boys out there. But his agent, Matija Kezman, has spoken to Italian journalists, Italian radio stations. I do love the transfer window. I can't lie. I'm here for all the drama. I'm here for all of it. I'm here for every single bit of this drama. We're going to sign no one, but it doesn't matter, because all the stories sound good. They'll get me loads of traction, and we'll get loads of subs. Win-win. On a real note, I'm here to dissect all of this BS, because most of these little hipsters that rate this character, most of the journalists that are talking about this character, most of the compilations doing the rounds. Oh my God, imagine Milinkovic Savic at the carpets, under the lights, Champions League night, goosebumps. Absolute wasters. But let's go through this with a fine tooth comb. Arsenal have seen their chances of signing is it Sergej or Sergej? Sergej, I think it's Sergej. We're just calling Milinkovic. Milinkovic take a dramatic turn. Oh my God, it's dramatic. Drama. I'm here for it. Dramatic turn. Oh my days. What's happened? I hear you cry. Arsenal transfer. See, look, they have to say that, then they have to say it again. By about fifth paragraph, you get the crux of it. You get the juicy bits. Is now open to joining the Gunners. Yes, according to reports. The Lazio midfielder is claimed to have changed his mind on a potential move to the Emirates after interest earlier this year. Oh my days, this is epic news. Tell me more, Lee. Milinkovic has long been linked with a move to the Premier League. Manchester United and Chelsea among the English sides to have reportedly shown interest in the player in the past. But Arsenal are now the most linked club to his signature on these shores. Sounds like they're writing a script for a movie. The 27-year-old has just over 18 months remaining on his contract at Lazio, and it appears something will have to give soon on his future. It appears. From where? It's behind you. Oh, no, it's not. I know it's Panto season, but Jesus Christ. Whether that's to sign a new deal or find a new club. Italian football journalist I don't even know. Giulio Cardone, maybe? I don't know. Has provided a major update. Oh my God, it's major. You have to sit down, brace yourself, get a cup of tea, pause this video, go and get a cup of tea, go and have a cigarette, compose yourself, people. Have a shot. Let's have a shot. We're on the Hollandessa. Cheers. A major update. This is epic news. when you put the word major in a title or in a sentence or in a title, ears pricked. It's major. Let's go. Right. What's he said? On a potential move to Arsenal. Cool. Tell me more. Oh, you have to scroll down past 19 fucking ads. Okay. He claims the North Londoners attempted to sign Milinkovic in the summer, but the player wasn't keen. Okay, how's that an update? Tell me more about this major update. Please, Cardone, tell me more. However, he is now open to the transfer following Arsenal's strong start to this. Oh, my days. Because we're top, he now wants to. Oh, my God. What a coup. Oh, my days. We're top of the league at Christmas. He now wants to come. This is epic. Jesus Christ, I can't believe what a player. Anyway, let's carry on. Where they sit 5 points clear at the top of the Premier League. Cardone says Milinkovic would consider a move if a fair proposal was put on the table. There you go. Sign for Arsenal or rot at Lazio. There's a fair proposal, my friend, because nobody else has bid for you in 7 years. His agent, former Chelsea striker, should have put flop in there, former Chelsea flop striker, Mattia Kezman, is scouting Europe for offers for his client. Oh my God, he's trawling through land, sea, universe for offers for this guy. Fuck off, man. Oh my days. What paper, what news article am I reading? The Daily Express. This ain't the Daily Fail. Anyway, let's carry on because this is intriguing. It's major updates, people. Are you sitting comfortably? So, Cardone suggests a deal may not happen until the summer. Oh, well, that's all off then. Well, that's not a major update. Well, this is all off. What do we do now? What do we do now? Because we need a player now. At least they got us to read it. Anyway, let's carry on because there might be some twist amid the transfer speculation. These fucking journalists are clapped. Anyway, the deal may not happen until the summer for Milinkovic. Speaking to an Italian radio station, Radio Sei, probably butchered that as well. He said, Arsenal on Milinkovic. The news is that the player has changed his opinion on the English club, which already tried to approach him last summer. If a fair proposal were to arrive, this time he would consider it. Ah, please come and get me. Now you're top of the table because I don't want to be at Lazio who win nothing. Do me a favour. Who writes this crap? My daughter's 13. She can write better stories than this. Today, the Gunners are dominating the Premier. We're dominating the Premier League. They will go to the Champions League. These are his quotes, by the way. Kezman's quotes. They will go to the Champions League. Well, hold up, mate. Let me just check the Premier League table. Watch this. Let's have a little butchers at the Premier League table. Oh, yes. Okay. Well, we're not guaranteed Champions League football yet, my friend. But they have acquired a different appeal, according to agent Kezman. He has been probing various clubs for some time to then bring offers to Lazio. Oh, my days. This is epic. In the summer, he had garnered serious interest from the London club and Newcastle. Situations declined. Yes, because you're a bunch of melts. But things could change next summer. Oh, goody. It will be an important push and pull. Okay, mate. Milinkovic joined Lazio from Belgian side Genk in 2015 and has made over 300 appearances in all competitions for the Serie A side, scoring 56 goals. Not only that, he has won 39 caps for his country, Serbia, the hipster's choice to win the World Cup that never happened, since his debut in 2017. Okay, so that's a load of garbage. We can throw that in the bin. That's just him trying to get a new contract at Lazio. If you disagree, leave it in the comments section. These stories for me to dissect. If people want to believe this garbage and want to believe Mattia Kesman. Okay, good one, mate. Really? Okay, mate. But it's a major oh my God, major information. It wasn't major, was it? It was just some idiot journalist called Cardone. Yeah, you're just a C-Tech Carbone, bruv. Yeah, like turn it in. Yeah, Cardone, and then Mattia. Oh, major. I'm going to put major in the title. Yeah, a major turn of events in the title. Let's go. Adios, amigos. I'm back again. Arsenal play Juventus tomorrow. So keep your eyes peeled for that. I will be doing a watch along for that. I'll be live an hour before kickoff. 2 hours before kickoff, I'm going live with Man Knows Football with Goonie. Subscribe, like, share, sub to the second channel. Hit me up if you want to chuck your portfolios in for editing. And yeah, man, it's all good. Follow all the socials, TikTok especially. I'm nearly 1,000 on that. But we're out of here. What a load of bollocks that was. Adios, amigos. Ciao.